This year, Touchpoint is going to be taking place in Edmodo.com. You can see the address right up here. So the first thing it's going to ask you to do once you've created your account is it's going to ask you to provide your school information, and that way it can connect you with other people from that school. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I typed in the village school, comma, Houston, Texas, and it popped up with this. So I'm going to go ahead and select there and press next step. Now, if you have a picture saved to your computer already, you can upload a new photo, and this way, this will be your profile picture whenever people see you. You can either use your personal picture or you can use something funny to represent you. You'll also have the opportunity to change this a little bit later if you don't already have your picture. Now, right down here, I haven't done this yet, but sure, type in your own URL address, and that way it'll be easy for you to tell the kids where to go for your website. Now, these are going to be used, whatever you select, they're going to connect you with communities of people that are in your area, so they can provide you with different resources and ideas and things. So I would choose computer technology and go to my homepage. Now, whatever communities you joined, they're going to be listed right over here. And if you wanted to just look at computer technology, then you could click right over here. You can also click on the show all to see all of your communities that you joined. But here on your homepage, which you can return to from here, is going to be a list of what everybody is talking about within the computer technology. The first thing that you're going to be prompted to do is come right here to create a group. Now, for my example, I used my name followed by first period for the group name. I said it was 4th grade, or you can choose a range of grades. And I teach computer technology, so that's what I chose. And then I'm going to create it. The next window is going to ask you how many people are in your class, and it's just a drop-down menu. Now, depending on how many people you have in your class or how many people are in your sister group at the other school, you have to decide how many people are going to be in there. Chances are it's going to be 26 plus, but in my example, I'm doing 16 to 20 for my personal class. Now that you've created your group, this code is going to allow you to connect with the students. So they'll be able to use this code, whether it's whenever they're signing up for their account, or they can also add it once they already have one. I'm going to go ahead and press the Home tab. And then you'll see right here, Groups. I can press on the plus sign, and if I wanted to join, this is where I would put in that code. Now, if I want to go back to view the options for my group, I would just click on that. And once I have everybody that I want, I can go ahead and lock it so nobody else can join the group. Now, similar to Facebook, if you click on your name up here, you can go to your profile. So they've got an About Me section where you can write a paragraph about yourself, or I assume maybe your class. And if you hover over here, that's how you type in your information, and when you're finished, just press the Save button. You'll also notice that there are suggestions for other people who are connected to your school. So you can look at their profiles, and here again you can change your profile picture. Now, beyond your profile, if you'd like to change your settings, just come up and hover over Me and go down to Settings. This Main Account tab is going to contain all the information that you had to provide whenever you were signing up. You can also come to Email and Text Update. In this area, you'll choose, just put a check mark next to whatever you'd like to be notified for. And you can choose through your email, text messages, or none. If you choose none, the only thing this means is that you're going to have to log into Edmodo in order to see what activity has been going on. This right here is the notifications button. It's similar to Facebook in that whenever you have replies or messages or any kind of changes, it's going to notify you right here. It'll display a little red number, so you can click on it and see what's been going on. Now, if you've made any changes, go ahead and press Save Updates, but I'm going to go ahead and return to the Home tab, or Home button, excuse me. And I'll go ahead and leave it at that for this video. And in the next video, I'll go through these tabs. If you have any questions, please contact me at kavako@thevillageschool.com. Thanks.